cure therapy number 3. This therapy is called as Moola Shuddhi Kriya. In India, the sages and rishis were practicing this kriya to maintain their physical and mental health. For thousands of years, it has been in use, and I am going to teach you today which can be more helpful in this hot summer. It's very simple but very effective, and it will help you. And specifically for Pitta body, this Moola Shuddhi is very helpful. And what is Moola Shuddhi? First, you have to prepare one herbal oil. This is very important in this Moola Shuddhi. This herbal oil, it is very easy to prepare. Every one of us know aloe vera. Just one piece of aloe vera is enough. Take aloe vera and remove all the green parts of the aloe vera. Take the gel out. Wash the gel for 7 times. The fluidity in the gel has to go out and the solid part of the gel should remain. Wash it 7 times so that it is purified. It's called as Shuddhi. The Shuddhi of aloe vera is washing the aloe vera's gel 7 times in water. It is called aloe vera Shuddhi. Now the aloe vera is purified. Make the juice out of aloe vera. Put it in mixie and take juice. If it is 1 tumbler of aloe vera juice, take 1 tumbler of castor oil. Mix castor oil and aloe vera juice together and put it in the vessel and boil it. And take at the right time so that the oil is nicely blended with the aloe vera juice. This is the oil which I am saying now. With this oil you are going to do Moola Shuddhi.